anything that reduces, the incidence of people smoking or even getting hooked on cigarettes has to be a good thing, although it's not the whole answer.
So the price of cigarettes has gone up by 50 cents since last night. Do you think that'll put smokers off?
It won't bother them. Won't bother them at all, no.
It's going to be €11 now for a pack of 20. What do you think will put them off?
I think probably you'd want to go up to 15 and then they'd think about it.
Well, I'd say if it went up to 15 or something like that, it might exercise people's minds about smoking,
I think if it's 15, 16, maybe even up to €20, I think people would feel that in the pocket.
And what price do you think it would have to be to actually put you off?
Oh God, like 15 maybe.
Do you plan to give up eventually, or you're kind of enjoying it too much for the moment?
No, I don't really plan to give up, no.